We found sticky hands, aeroplay, little mini skateboards, these giant clappy hand things, little puzzles, a lot of poppets, but unfortunately we did not get to test the pops. Paddle balls, more poppets, and little mini poppets, pop bracelets, flarps, sludge, slinkies, pop tubes, a bunch of those in a variety of colors. These are so pretty. We found these little Orbeez stress balls. And we found these little dog stress balls with Orbeez in them. And they're a lot of different colors. I like the pink one. The blue one's also very pretty. Actually, I think I like them all. And I'm not sure if this is a brain or what this is, but it's some sort of squishy thing. And then we found this glitter slimy stuff, mini paddle balls, squeezlings, goopy gooey, and some of this slime. Nikki has a red one at home. These little water balls, wacky track. Nikki already has this one. This is the only squishy I found like this. Slow rising and really super cool. Play-Doh, little mini Play-Dohs. Another water ball. We have this one at home too. Slinkies, of course. And then a few little... Oh, there's a pretty pink Slinky. A few little squishy balls that are supposed to be like sticky. I thought those were cool. And then we found some little mini poppets. And no, we did not put them in the floor. They were already there. And I thought this squishy ball was super pretty. And this little basketball squishy that someone ripped, it wasn't us. These are fun. They're good quality. We got one from the Dollar Tree a few months ago. Some of this model magic. Some more little mini poppets, a variety of shapes and colors. Super cute.
Hey, Mom.
And
I'm gonna mock you.
This is cute too. Some mini poppets. You better not be mocking me, Nikki. Those were adorable, and all the little colors and things. Some mochis.
Some mochis.
Another wacky track.
Another wacky track.
A poppet keyring.
And poppet keyring.
Quit it, Nikki.
Quit it, Nikki.
And some more fun keyrings.
More fun keyrings.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.